Hi everyone, my name is Yifan Li, and today I will discuss the impact of helicopter parenting in childhood. We will explore its social factors as well as strategies for a more balanced parenting approach. Introduction. What is what is helicopter parenting? It refers to an overprotective style where parents involves excessory control and over involvement in a child's life. Today, I will focus on key social factors that contributes to this situation. Economic pressures, social media, safety concerns, overproductiveness, and the culture and the society expectations. When we talk about helicopter parenting, a lot of parents are thinking, I'm not a helicopter parent. Well, most helicopter parents don't realize they fall into this category. There are some key characteristics to recognize, such as high parental involvement in academics and daily life, overproductiveness and afraid of risk, emotional over-investment in a child's successes and failures. But why does this matter? Let's examine some key social factors. Economic pressures. High academic expectations due to job market demands. Children of helicopter parents often experience anxious and stress due to high expectations. They give pressures for children to excel in school and the extracurriculums. Fear of financial instability leads to micromanagement of success. Research by Dopico and Zilibotti, 2019, named the economic roots of helicopter parenting also proved parents checking their child's homework daily, sometimes even doing homework for their child, frequently meeting with teachers, and keep a close eye on their children are the signs of helicopter parenting. Social media. Social media creates a comparison culture among parents. Online safety concerns leads to social monitoring. Parenting influencers promote intensive parenting style. For example, parents compare their children's achievement with others on social media, track their children's social media accounts, and sometimes even restrict or constantly monitor their children's access to technology. Research by Huang et al. 2023 suggested that a small amount of parenting pressure can be beneficial, but too much control can harm the parent child relationship. Helicopter parents also have a lot of safety concerns. Increased media coverage of child safety instance raises parents anxious. They even because of the urban environment reduce their child's outdoor play opportunities. These parents don't let their child to play with their friends freely. They don't give the chance to their child to solve their own problems. The child with helicopter parents usually become more fear of failure because they don't have given the chance to navigate challenges independently. They will solve all of the problems for their children, even get involving in their child's fighting with other children if they found it's their child's mistakes. They will find all kinds of excuse to cover up their child's mistakes. Another factor for helicopter parenting is overprotectiveness. Parental fear of failure affects children's decision making. They do everything for their child. They want to protect their child every time and everywhere. They don't allow the children to go to for trip. They don't let children to invite to involve daily chores. They do almost everything for their child. Overprotective parenting can delay emotional maturity and create dependency on authority figures. Culture and the society expectations also made some influence on helicopter parenting. Some cultures and the society, such as some Asia country like China, emphasize academic success as a family achievement. Competitive culture drives parents to push their children towards excellence. Overparenting can lead to significant academic pressure and stress. According to Minano and Polubu 2021, helicopter parenting have several like disadvantages, such as increased anxiety and stress, lower self-esteem and self-confidence, great risk of depression, reduced problem-solving ability, lower scheduling and decision-making skills, struggling with independence and resilience, stronger fear of failure, avoiding challenges and reducing risk taking, increased parent child conflict. All of these struggles extend into adulthood as well. Case studies illustrated that adults raised by helicopter parents may struggle with adapting to real world responsibilities. While helicopter parenting has drawbacks, it also offers some advantages, according to World Parenting 2025. For example, children feel supported and exposed to a large variety of activities. Parents are highly aware their child's whereabouts, social circle, and academic progresses, which made their childs more likely to succeed. Their childs are more likely to turn to their parents for guidance when they're facing the problems. So, how can parents do to support their children in a healthy way? Parents need to balance involvement and independence. According to our professor, Mrs. Panahan, 2025 lecture, children need autonomy since toddler stage. Parents need to encourage age appropriate autonomy and give them support rather than over control and make decisions for them. Sometimes let the children fail and allow the children to experience the natural consequence. For myself, after I researched this topic, I realized that I'm a little bit helicopter parenting as well. For instance, I always choose the City of Ottawa's community centers activities for my sons instead of letting them decide. Moving forward, I will let them to choose and make the decisions by themselves. Every morning, I wake up my sons up multiple times. From now on, I'm planning to remind them just once. If they are late for the school, they will experience the nature consequence and likely learn to wake up on time in the future. I will try to act as a guidance rather than directors, foster them independence, resilience, and problem solving skills. All of the parents need to have an open communication rather than excessive control because it helps children to build confidence and autonomy. Conclusion. To summarize, helicopter parenting is driven by multiple social factors, including economic pressures, social media influence, safety concerns, overprotectiveness, and the culture and the society expectations. While well intended excessive control can hinder children's development, a balanced approach where parents support rather than control allow children to foster resistance and independence. Parenting should empower the children to face challenges confidently. Thank you for listening. Have you observed any examples of helicopter parenting? Let's talk about it in our discussion board. Thank you.